to jobs and connections to people. Now, for those of you who are not seniors, don't have to worry about the pressure of getting a job. There's still things that SAE can offer you as well. Internships, volunteering, and scholarship opportunities. So these things are all available for you guys as well. And also you can stay in the know of industry trends that'll prepare your career. For example, electrification, electrified powertrain, that's taking a big ramp up nowadays. And you guys have a very good opportunity to learn what it takes to get there. I've done a lot of searching myself, and my personal goal is to get into electrified powertrain. And what I've seen is signaling, for example, is a highly demanded skill within electrified powertrain. Knowing this, as well as other qualifications, you guys while in school can learn those qualifications, learn those skills to better prepare your career. And building relationships with companies. So you might not be ready for a job right now, but when you are, this will come in handy. Knowing someone who works there is going to come in handy. And also, a connection to sponsorship, again, will help. Now, I guess, what if you already have a job? Well, there's still something to offer there. Mentorship, like I said, if there's a talented network of engineers and professionals who are in positions that you may want to get into, you may need some mentorship to get there, and SAE has it. There's also personal and travel benefits, so auto insurance as well as rental car discounts. Those are available through SAE. And also a safety net of job opportunities. So you might not have to worry about this so much right now, but in the future, when your company has a downsizing, it's going to be much more helpful to have a connection of people that'll help you find opportunities faster. So just a little bit of thought there. As for a little bit of my personal experience, like I said, I am from California. I worked with Toyota for 5.5 years in Gardena, California, and until I consolidated and moved over to Ann Arbor, Michigan. I finished up my master's degree this year in May from California. I moved over to Michigan and in search for more automotive opportunities. And I also joined the SAE Mid-Michigan section to kind of like deepen my roots in the automotive industry. So upon my first meeting, I was actually talking to Bernard, and I was just explaining my background to him as a calibration engineer, and he just mentions, oh, I have a nephew who works in brake calibrations. Oh, wow, I wasn't really trying to ask for a job, but it's having that open up, that connection, really does wonders, to speed up the process. And since joining, my connections within the automotive engineers have gone up by 19%, more than that, really. And also, in my process, I've declined 3 offers, and I'm in the process for another interview because I'm very picky. So this is kind of what connections can help you with. And I also joined the Hybrid and EV Standards Development Committee. So through this, in which every SAE member can be a part of, and any other committee, you can join a committee that can help develop standards that will have an impact for the future of the industry. So some upcoming events that we're hosting. It's a little bit hard to read up there, maybe, but I'll just read it out. The Collegiate Chapter Project Presentation Competition. This is the presentation practice that we host to help you guys get ready for the competition in May. And this is happening in February in Franklin Youth, and I think it'd be a really good opportunity for you guys to not only practice your presentation skills, but also meet other members, meet other FSAE members, and potentially other company members. Then there's the FSAE racing competition that's happening in May, which you guys know about and are working on. And then 2 days later after that, which this is a very important event, the president and CEO of the Center of Automotive Research. She'll be coming over to talk about charging and fueling for the next 100 years. Now, if you want to be anywhere near transportation, automotive, aerospace, whatever, this event is very important to attend because this is going to affect you guys directly. Everything that goes needs fuel, needs to charge. So this will definitely benefit you guys to prepare your career. As we're wrapping up, we'd like to know a little bit about how SAE Mid-Michigan can support you guys. I'll bring out a survey for you guys very soon, but really we want to know is any feedback on what SAE Mid-Michigan can support, how we can support you guys, and what services would you guys like to see in the future. So if you guys can fill out those surveys, hand it back to us, that'd be much appreciated. And some details on how to join SAE if you're interested. This material will be passed along through I'll email to the program manager, and maybe you can disseminate it to you guys to kind of get to know how to join. But basically, use the SAE website and some contact information. Our Mid-Michigan website is also on here, as well as my own email address. So I'd like to thank you again for having us here to present this to you guys. And we hope to see more of your faces at the SAE events. Thank you.